about that long. And inside of it, it has this black apron, which I thought was really cool. I might use this to cook as well because it looks very washable. And it comes with a face brush, and it comes with a hook, I guess in case you want to hook the mirror. So the mirror itself actually comes wrapped up like this. It's supposed to be a three-way mirror, so when you're braiding your hair to see the back of it all. So let me quickly unwrap it and set it up on this wall. It's pretty loud. But they wrapped it so well so it wouldn't have to crack. Looks like a little laptop. Looks pretty solid too. Just this open. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. I hope you can see this. And it also has a hook at the back. See the hooks at the back? And the hooks can go pretty long. See how long they could go? Really, really long. So I'm going to hook it up here. And you can see that's how far it can go. And it opens up nicely. And I'll take this wrap out here. Nice. Okay, can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? So that would help me to see the back of my hair. I like that. Okay, and you can take it up a little higher. Oops, that just came up. You can take it up a little higher if you want, but just be careful when you're adjusting that height, so you don't have an accident like I almost did. So it's almost like a radio antenna adjuster. Just level it up. I think that should be good for the back of my hair. Alright.